Welcome back to Mathematics Made Easy tutorial. Today we are looking at relations. Definition. Let x and y be two sets. A relation from x to y is a correspondence. In other words, we can talk about it as association. We can also talk about it as a connection, but those are informal definitions or informal words. But the formal word is correspondence, kind of a link in which elements of x are assigned to that of y. So in relation, we are looking at two sets in which element of one set are assigned to elements of y. It is denoted by symbol R. All right, let's look at a typical example. Okay, example: let x be set of numbers 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y be set of numbers 1, 2 to 20. Then let's see for all element of x in x and all element of y in y. Want to consider this relation, that is x is related to y whenever x is a prime factor of y. Look at this. X is related to y whenever x is a prime factor of y. All right, solution. Let's see how we can write that relation out. Okay, it's a set. Look at it. X is related to y whenever x is a prime factor of y. Let's look at the first element of x, 2. All right, then consider the first prime factor of y. Of course, 1 is not a prime number, so 2. So that is the first pair. We can also think about 2. After 2, remember y take from 1 to 20. The second prime number, you can consider that 2 can divide in set y. We have 4. Of course, 2 can divide 4, and of course 2 is a prime factor of 4. Okay, then we also have 2. Again, we have 6. Of course, consider 2 and 8, 2 and 10. We have 2 and 12. Remember, from 1 to 20. So we have 2, 14. We have 2 and 16. We have 2 and 18. Of course, we have 2 and 20. Of course, 2 is we have settled 2. Consider 3. Look at set y 1 to 20. Prime factors of 3. We have 3 from set y. 3 from x. We are in 3 now. 3 prime factors. We have 6. Then we have 3 of 9. Then we have 3 of 12. We have 3, of course, after 12, we have 3 of 15. Okay, and then we have 3 of 18. Then consider 4. Of course, 4 is not a prime number, so 4 is out of it, so we have 5. 5. Next prime number is 5 of 5. We can pick 5 from set y. Then we have 5 of 10. Then we have finally 5 of 15. Not really. We also have 5 of 20. All right. That is it. So this is set of relations we have. Look at the condition given: x is related to y whenever x is a prime factor of y. So we are picking element of x and element of y. Remember, x is coming from set x, while y is coming from set y. The first coordinate, the first set of numbers 2, 2, 3, 5 are coming from set x. We are picking the prime numbers of x. Then we are also picking the numbers that those numbers can divide in set y. So that is the solution of set of numbers given to us. All right, very fine. I hope you can try it yourself. If there is any difficulty, you can comment on the comment section. Of course, we will attend to that. Let's look at another example quickly. All right, a simple one. All right, a simple one. We have a case, example 2. Assuming I have a set of numbers, let's pick 2, 3, 5, and B, another set. We have, this time around, we have 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18. Let's say these are two given sets, and then we are asked to